Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I'm out here at my off-grid cabin today, and we do have some housekeeping to do today. Last week I published that video with the Farmall M using the Saker quick grease coupler. I really enjoyed it. I really liked it, and I have 16 of you responded in the comments. And what I did, we're going to draw today. I have all the comments printed out, and I have a number assigned to each name. So let's just read these numbers, or these numbers and names, so you know how they're going to go. Ruth Ann Bull, 1. Jim S, 2. Travis Wells, 3. Thomas Hips, 4. Jack Brunel, 5. Rodney Sloan, 6. Gerald, 7. Krisky Wood Creations, 8. Mark Gagne, 9. Rob Russell, 10. Southie 603, 11. That's a cool name. Oregon Old Timer, 12. Man, that guy's a wealth of knowledge. Tim's Car Toys, same with this guy too, 13. Glenn, let's see, Glenn Momrick, 14. M&M Sawing, 15, and Terry Finch, 16. First of all, thank you guys for all commenting. I see a lot of those same names over and over again, so that's really good. So what we're going to do, I got a deck of cards here. See if we can get down to here. We'll use the old Honda here. Let's go a little farther maybe. Ooh. That ain't bad. That'll work. Let's see. Ace. We have ace through 9. So first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to draw a card. Odds, it's the first 10, or 1 through 9. Even, it's 10 through 16. Okay, so let's just. It's an even, so we know it's going to be number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we need a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 11, and number 9 will represent the 10. Okay, so 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's see who wins it. We know the first 9 didn't win. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, drum roll, and 12. Who's 12? Probably already knows. The Oregon Old Timer. So number 12 won. Oregon Old Timer. I'm guessing he's in Oregon. Thanks guys for playing along. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. The channel's been growing. I'm really happy with it. Never intended for all this to happen, but it's been pretty cool. I'll be sending this out to you. You can reach me at bigelowwoodcraft.com. And I'll reach out to your channel as well. Check his channel out. He's got a lot of cool things out there. All right, guys. In fact, I'll put a link to his channel at the bottom of the description. So, all right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Whew. Getting a little warm out here. Oh, there goes an ink pen. I've been busy marking trees, guys. It's been a lot of work. I've marked 100, almost 150 trees. What's the date today? I think it's the 23rd of September. We got our first frost today, and it was a pretty heavy frost. Right now it's 59 degrees and it feels great. I love hoodie weather. But we had our first frost today, so that'll pretty much hit a lot of the gardens. Here I go rambling again. You know, I take this camera with me. It's like having my friends with me. And I consider all you guys my friends. So, all right, I'm done. Have a great weekend. We'll put these playing cards back. A moth. All right, guys, you're gonna think I'm a little weird here. I made a diorama of this place. Don't know how well it's gonna show. Oops, some of the trees are starting to tip over, but hey, so be it. The river, an old bridge, there's the cabin, the outhouse, the picnic table. This is before I built the kitchen. We get bored up here sometimes in the winter. What the heck? I still got you guys on. Have a good weekend.